Be comfortable in what you are wearing. Don't try and follow something because you think it's fashionable. You know, okay, there's some balloon skirts, so everybody should wear them. That's not what fashion is about. You have to wear what complements you, and I feel that a woman should look feminine at all times.
मेरा look था शर्मीला. मैंने सोचा कि वो आज वो confident ना लगूं, थोड़ा शर्मीला ही लगूं, वरना सोचेंगे कि ये मैं professionally करना चाहता हूँ.
फैशन और एक्टर्स से भरी ये जगह किसी फिल्म का सेट नहीं है, बल्कि ये नजारा है एक फैशन वीक का, जिसका आयोजन हाल ही में मुंबई में हुआ। इस फेस्टिवल में नामचीन फैशन डिजाइनर्स के साथ नए डिजाइनर्स ने भी हिस्सा लिया।
I think Vikram has really matured as a designer. He is really out there with a number of good designers, and I just think that his clothes really have a lot of individuality.
Known as a mass hero, 26th film I do, and known as a class hero. That's because of Vikram Fadnis, and I think he's fabulous.